Hello students, this is the next revision lecture for SY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics. Lecture number 59, Semester 3. Name of the topic is Vital Statistics. Revision lecture, important concepts with multiple choice questions and correct answers. SY BCom lecture number 59, Business Statistics. This is the revision lecture. Name of the topic is Vital Statistics. Demography includes study of events related to human life. Vital statistics give numerical summary regarding these events. Vital statistics, events related to human life such as death, birth, sickness, migration, marriage, divorce, adoption are called as vital events. Vital statistics is defined as a branch of biometry which deals with the data and laws of human mortality, morbidity, and demography. Methods of obtaining vital statistics. There are 4 methods to obtain vital statistics. First is registration method, second census method, third sample surveys, and fourth sample registration scheme. Now definition of rate of vital events can be given as number of cases of vital events divided by total number of persons exposed to the risk of occurrence of the event into K, where K is the constant. Death rates or mortality rates. First and the most important death rate is crude death rate, CDR. CDR is equal to MI is equal to DI upon PI into 1000. Crude death rate is number of deaths on an average per 1000 persons. Note that CDR is usually observed between 3 to 23 per 1000 persons. Since population varies over time, denominator in CDR is considered as mid-year population. Merits. CDR is easy to understand and simple to calculate. Demerits. CDR does not take into account the age and sex distribution. It is generally observed that the proportion of deaths in the age group 0 to 10 years and that of age group 55 to 100 years is larger as compared to the proportion of deaths in the age group 15 to 44 years. In other words, children at early age and persons in old age are subject to the higher risk of death as compared to the youngsters. Mortality rate is slightly higher for males than that of females. CDR ignores age and sex distribution, and therefore CDR can be used only for comparison of mortality of two places if age and sex distribution are more or less same. Due to the above mentioned drawbacks, it is essential to use a better rate than CDR. Therefore, suitable specific death rates are used according to the purpose for which they are used. Second is specific death rates, SDR. We have seen that CDR is determined for all sections and parts of population combined together. Hence, whenever we are interested in knowing mortality conditions of a specific section, we need to define a specific death rate. The specific death rates may be according to age, sex, locality or region, specific cause such as diseases, AIDS, cancer or snakebite, or occupation. Sometimes two or more criteria of specification may occur together. For example, urban female death rates, infant mortality rates, old age mortality rates are the examples of age specific death rates. Death rate for individual workers, death rate for industrial workers will be a specific death rate according to occupation. In general, Definition of specific death rate SDR is given below. SDR is equal to total number of deaths in the specific section of the population in the given period divided by total population of the specific section in the given period into 1000. Suppose DI is equal to number of deaths in the ith age group and PI is the total population of ith age group. The age specific death rate for ith age group is denoted by MI and is defined as MI is equal to DI upon PI into 1000. Sometimes specification may be according to two criteria. For example, age specific death rate for country A will be MIA is equal to number of deaths in the ith age group in country A divided by population of ith age group of country A into 1000. That is nothing but DIA upon PIA into 1000. Third death rate is standardized death rate. Age specific death rate is useful for the age group wise comparison of mortality of two populations or years. However, population contains several age groups. It is likely to happen that for one population SDR is higher in some age groups than that of other, but it is smaller for some age group, smaller for some other age groups. In this situation, to overcome this difficulty, for comparison purpose, we need a unique representative value of all SDRs. This can be done very well by taking weighted average of SDRs. For the comparison of death rates of two populations, we consider the same set of weights to compute average SDR. A third population is taken as standard population and age group wise population is taken as weights to find average of SDR. Therefore, the average combined in this manner is called as standardized death rate, STDR. So STDR of A is equal to MI A into PIS upon summation PIS. STDR for B is equal to summation MIB into PIS upon summation PIS. See the example. Obtain crude death rate for population A and population B given below. Age group wise population and deaths are given for population A and for population B. Age group below 10. For population A, the population value is 900 people and number of deaths are 12. Age group 10 to 20. For population A, population is 1500 and number of deaths are 8. For age group 20 to 60, population A, population is 4500 and number of deaths are 38. Age group above 60, population value is 600 and number of deaths are 30. Same way, age group below 10, population B, population value is 800 and number of deaths are 32. For population B, age group 10 to 20, population value is 3000, number of deaths are 12. Age group 20 to 60, for population B, the population is 4800 and total number of deaths are 48. For population B, age group above 60, population value is 1400 with 42 deaths. We are supposed to find CDR for population A as well as for population B. So CDR for population A is nothing but DA upon PA into 1000, that is equal to 12 plus 8 plus 38 plus 30 divided by 900 plus 1500 plus 4500 plus 600. That can be written as 88 upon 7500 into 1000. That is equal to 11.7333 per thousand. Same way we can find crude death rate for population B is equal to dB upon PB into 1000. That is equal to 32 plus 12 plus 48 plus 42 divided by 800 plus 3000 plus 4,800 plus 1,400. That is equal to 134 divided by 10,000 into 1,000. So the final answer is 13.4 per thousand. Next example, compute CDR and STDR for population A and population B from the data and compare them. Use direct method of standardization, taking population B as standard population. So age group wise population A, population B values are given, as well as number of deaths are also given. So age group 0 to 10 for population A, population value is 600, number of deaths are 18. For population A, age group 10 to 20, population value is 1000, number of deaths are 5. For age group 20 to 60, population value is 3000, number of deaths are 24. For age group 60 to 100, population value is 400, number of deaths are 20. Same way for population B, number of persons for age group 0 to 10, population value is 400, number of deaths are 16. For age group 10 to 20, for population B, population value is 1500 with number of deaths are 6. For age group 20 to 60, for population B, population value is 2400 and number of deaths are 24. For population B, age group 60 to 100, population value is 700 and number of deaths are 21. So to find CDR, we require total population and total number of deaths for both populations. Further, to compute STDR, we require the age specific death rate. So we display the same in the table below. So age group, number of persons, deaths, then MIA we have to calculate. We will multiply MIA with PIS. PIS is the population value for population B. We need the total of number of persons, we need total of deaths, we need summation of MIA into PIS. So these three values we need actually. So age group 0 to 10, number of persons are 600, number of deaths are 18. So MIA for this particular group is 18 upon 600 into 1000. So answer is 30. 30 multiplied by 400 will give you MIA into PIS value, that is equal to 12,000. Age group 10 to 20, population value is 1000, number of deaths are 5. Mortality rate MIA is given by 5 upon 1000 into 1000, that is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 1500 will give us 7500. Age group 20 to 60, number of persons are 300, number of deaths are 24. So mortality rate MIA is equal to 24 upon 8000 into 1000, that is equal to 8. So 8 into 2400 will give us 19,200. Last age group 60 to 100, number of persons are 400, number of deaths are 20. So mortality rate is given by 20 upon 400 into 1000, that is equal to 50. 50 into 700 is nothing but MIA into PIS. So 50 into 50 into 700 will give us 3500. Now we will find the total of PIA, that is 600 plus 1000 plus 3000 plus 400. The total is 5000. Total of deaths column is given as 18 plus 5 plus 24 plus 20, that is 67. And last column total is 12,000 plus 7,500 plus 19,200 plus 3,500. Total becomes 73,700. So CDR for A is given as DIA upon PIA into 1000, which is nothing but 67 upon 5000. So the answer is into 1000. The answer is 13.4 per thousand. CDR for B can be calculated as DIB upon PIB into 1000, which is also same as 67 upon 5000 into 1000. So the answer is 13.4 per thousand. STDR for A is given as summation MIA into PIS upon summation PIS, which is equal to 73,700 upon 5,000. So the answer is 14.75 per thousand. And STDR for B is same as CDR for B, which is nothing but 13.4 per thousand. So as STDR for B is less than STDR for A, population B is healthier than population A. See the multiple choice questions. Choose the correct alternative out of 4 alternatives given below for each questions. First question, vital statistics is a branch of biometry which deals with the data and laws of A part marriages, B births, C deaths, and D all the above. The correct alternative is D all the above. Second multiple choice question, the study of vital statistics related with A population growth, second variability of races, third changing pattern of population during intercensus period, and D all the above. Correct alternative is D all the above. Third question, the wide use of vital statistics is in the field of A planners, B social reforms, C actuaries, D all the above. And the correct answer is D all the above. Next question, the practical use of vital events in India started for the first time in 1786. A part, B is 1886, C 1946, and D 1961. And the correct answer is B 1886. Fifth question, the collection of information, data about each and every individual of country is known as A vital statistics, B demography, C census, and D none of the above. And the correct answer is C census. Next question, in India the registration of vital statistics suffers from A lack of accuracy, B incomplete coverage, C incomplete reporting, and D all the above. And the correct answer is D all the above. Next question, in the country the registration of vital events such as births, deaths, and marriages are A sample of medical research, B a fancy of society, C a legal document, D all the above. And the correct answer is C a legal document. Next question, population statistics throws light on A record of morbidity, B record of population regions, C record of fatal deaths actually, D all the above. Correct answer is B record of population regions. Next question, which of the following system deals with the vital statistics? A registration system, B survey method, C census method, D all the above. And the correct answer is D all the above. Next question, the Registration of Births and Deaths Act during post-independent India passed in 1948, A, B 1959, C 1969, and D 1979. Correct answer is C 1969. Next question, in vital statistics the rates of vital events are measured in A fraction, B percentages, C per thousand, and D per million. And the correct answer is C per thousand.